Farmer gunned down while playing dominoes in Linstead. Man on bail for murder gunned down in St. Ann. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Gunmen shot and killed a farmer while he was playing a game of dominoes at a shop in Linstead, St. Catherine on Monday night. The deceased is 37-year-old Nigel Carty, otherwise called Biggs or Crushy, of Sunnyside District in Linstead. Preliminary reports are that about 8 p.m., Carty and other persons were engaged in a game of dominoes when two men pounced upon them and opened gunfire, hitting him several times. Carty reportedly succumbed to his injuries at the scene. No motive has been identified for the gun attack, which is being probed by the Linstead police. A St. Ann man out on bail on a murder charge was shot dead in St. Ann's Bay on Monday, making it the first homicide in the parish for 2024. The man has been identified as Dwayne Clark, otherwise called Zulu, 36, off Top Road in St. Ann's Bay. Clark was said to be a suspect in a 2020 murder in the parish.